Holy shit, I'm excited for today's video.
Oh yeah, shit.
Today, we're going to be making a pumpkin spice syrup. So, therefore, a pumpkin spice latte. Why are we making pumpkin spice syrup? Why do I care? Because it's August 1st. It's August, and so that means it's... I love fall. I'm obsessed with fall. This video should be coming out on August 1st. Okay, that is when, to me, when the clock strikes 12, and it says August 1st, it is fall. For me, it's fall. I know it technically starts in like September or some bullshit, like whatever the hell. Nah, it starts in August for me. I got this recipe last year. I'm gonna put it right here of who I got it from. It is really good. It is really good, and I feel like I've tried. I feel like I'm always weary of trying people's recipes, whether that's these syrups, food, like literally anything. I'm weary and cautious of trying people's stuff because I'm like, you claim it's good, but how do I know? Like, we have different taste buds. Like, how am I gonna know that the stuff you like is what I like? You get me? So, but then there's those videos where you're like, I'm gonna give it a shot because it actually does look pretty good. It looks pretty promising and pretty good. And this is one of those, all right? It doesn't matter when you do this, all right? Like, you could do this in the summer, winter, spring, who cares? It doesn't exactly have to be fall for this pumpkin spice recipe. I just prefer making my own pumpkin spice syrups when it's fall. If you like your drink to be a sweet treat, this is for you. And if you love pumpkin spice, this is definitely for you, all right? Instead of me talking about it, we should jump right into it. Oh my god, I love fall.
So basically, these are the main ingredients you're going to be using. Your pumpkin puree, your cinnamon, and your pumpkin spice. These are all the ingredients you're going to be using. And you see, it's not a lot. It's pretty small, pretty easy, so let's make it.
Fuck, how do you open it? There we go. Jesus. Always fucking suck at opening cans, man. Oh, shit. Whoa, what is happening? Jesus. For the pumpkin, you need, I'm gonna make sure to put it somewhere over here of the recipe so that you don't get lost if you are trying to recreate this. You're gonna need 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree. 1/3. I like to slap it or shake it. Oh shit. So that it's flat and even. You know me, I'm a little greedy, so we'll just add a little bit more. You know, heart's desire. Yeah, it's good enough. Alright, 1/3 cup. Alright, there goes our 1/3. Then, to the pot, we're gonna add 1 cup of water. Remember, your pumpkin puree's in there, alright? So 1 cup of water. Now this is where we add the sugars, okay? So you're gonna pull out your half cups and you're gonna get your brown sugar. Honestly, a lot of the stuff I have is from Aldi. It doesn't really matter, just as long as you have the, you know, pumpkin sugar and cinnamon and whatever, right? 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Holy shit. Can I get this out? Oh my god, I'm making a mess. Oh my god. Hold up. Okay. Half a cup of brown sugar. Now, half a cup of white sugar. Now you're gonna just, your basic stuff, right? I feel like I have to keep saying it because a lot of people are like, what brand? It doesn't really matter. It's just whatever you got, okay? It's gonna taste the same. It's gonna come out great. So for cinnamon, this is a new one. You're gonna use a tablespoon, roughly a tablespoon each, okay? Oh. Careful. I would do it over it. Don't do what I'm doing. Like, you're gonna spill it everywhere if you do it here. Might as well do it over the pot, right? Alright, this is like roughly a tablespoon of cinnamon. Same thing for the pumpkin spice. Oh! I did more than I was supposed to. Hold up. Okay. A tablespoon of pumpkin spice. Jesus, I'm making a fucking mess.
Alright, don't be an idiot like me and blow on spices, alright? This shit got on my eye.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh, this hurt. And then once your stuff is all together, we're gonna whisk it and bring it to a boil on medium heat. Alright, it's boiling now, so I'm gonna put it on low and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Alright, after it's been 15 minutes, you're gonna let it cool off. You're gonna let it cool off. You can literally let it cool off in the pot, but right now the stove is gonna be occupied with some good dinner. So I'm just gonna put it in this bowl, and I'll let you know how long I waited. Usually it's probably like 30 minutes, and then it's good. It's like warm, like slightly warm, or cool off. It, just make sure it's not piping hot by the time you're gonna put the vanilla extract. I'm gonna give it a good whisk first. All right, I'm gonna put it in here. Make sure you scrape that home. Alright, so it's been almost 30 minutes. I would recommend leaving it just for 30 minutes. I'm impatient though, so it's like slightly warm. It's fine, it'll be fine. So make sure you're ready with a container to put it in. I was not trying to spend like 20 bucks on Amazon to get a syrup bottle, or like, I don't know, I couldn't find anything for cheaper. I was trying to think of using like a mason jar, but then all I have is this fucking bottle. This Italian dressing bottle that I deep clean because I don't want this affecting the quality and taste of my syrup. So make sure, just use whatever, alright? Whatever is at your disposal, okay? Oh shit. Alright, don't do that. For the vanilla extract, this is what I'm gonna be using. Like I said, it doesn't really matter. Like this is just Mexican extract from Molina or something. Like I said, whatever's at your disposal, it doesn't matter. You're gonna put a teaspoon into your mix. I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna do this right now. Cause usually I let it sit in the pot and kind of just pour it in here. I might do it, fuck it. All right, there you go. Now, oh my God, it's bright. There we go. Now I'm gonna put it in the fridge for, I don't know, until it's cold, whatever. Honestly, if you're impatient, you can just let it chill in the fridge until, like, I don't know, another 30 minutes and then take it out and then make your coffee. I might do it right now. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna do it right now so I can show you how it looks like as a latte. Alright, this is cool. I'm testing something out right now. Hold on. But basically, right now I'm using a tripod. And I was like, oh shit, this would work perfectly for my video right now to just show off the making of the coffee and stuff like that. I had just got it, so I could have used it for the beginning of the video, but I literally just got it right now. So we're gonna test it out. This is the coffee that I use. I use 2 teaspoons of this. 2 teaspoons. Now I'm grabbing the pumpkin spice that's in this fuck ass container, but I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. She's a little thick. Oops. There we go. Since it's fall, look what I have. Isn't this so cute? It is a Snoopy little mason jar cup. Perfect for my pumpkin spice latte. Do it like that. Ooh. Okay, that's good enough. I don't want that much. Not a lot, because we are going to be making cold foam.
Yeah, so like here's a free cold foam recipe. So you're gonna use 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of milk, and then literally any kind of syrup you want. Could be vanilla. For example, I could use added the pumpkin syrup into here, but I didn't want to. Literally any syrup you want before you blend it all together.
Alrighty, here she is in all her form and glory. Hold up, oh shit, wait, look how cute this is. I don't know if you can even see it, like the glare might be terrible. She's so cute. Okay, quick little stir. That tastes like fall, baby. That tastes like fall. That's just so good. Sorry, ignore the scenery change. It's literally because it is loud in my house right now, so it's like the most quietest place I could be right now. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe. If you want more like recipes and other stuff too, like comment below what else I should link up or make or try to see, you know, oh, is it good or is it not good kind of things. I'm gonna try to make more vlogs around building my self-confidence more, but I also realized that me doing these videos is also part of the journey because I have to, you know, talk to the camera and stuff. So but yeah, I'll try to make more vlogs, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.